Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. We're starting right away with a slip knot and 6mm crochet hook. So I'm gonna chain 3 and I will add do double crochet in the third chain from the hook. I'm gonna chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same chain. I'm gonna repeat 2 more times, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Before I join to form a square. So using the first color, this is how we start the granny square, and I'll be joining a different color for the second row. Adding the gray color, I'm gonna chain 3 and 2 double crochet in the same space as chain 3. So the previous chain 2 spaces are the ones where we're gonna work the clusters now. Cluster, which is 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet in all the spaces. So total of 4 spaces. Now adding the third color, again I'm gonna repeat the same process, chain 3, 2 double crochet in the same space, and now in the small spaces between the previous 3 double crochet, I'm gonna make only 3 double crochet. So basically in the corners I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and in the small spaces I'm gonna only make 3 double crochet throughout this row, and I'm gonna repeat the same with the fourth color until I get my final granny square. So now total I should have 5 granny squares together, and I'm gonna start joining them. So making sure the crown piece is the one which will work the 4th corners. So I will attach one by one with a slip stitch in each side. So starting with the first one, I'm gonna join the thread again and slip stitch in the back loop of each side. And again, I'm gonna repeat throughout the crown granny square side for all 4 pieces to form the initial look of the hat. Now using a tapestry needle, I'm gonna stitch all the open sides left from the initial joining, and I'm gonna stitch all the sides before I go to the next step to form the final look of the bucket hat. We're gonna make 2 rows. So single crochet in every stitch. And the last one, and join.